Welcome guys, the girl Choreo representing for Aura Luxury Carnival. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do two types of Tic Toc dance. In Jamaica, way back when, in the 1990s, we used to do Tic Toc really simple and basic. Side, back, side, forward. Anytime the speed of the music increase, this is all we do. Side, back, side, forward. So more recently, the Brazilians have popularized a dance move known as Quadradinho. It's a Portuguese word that literally means in English, square. So that's what you're doing with your butt. You're making a square. Let me go to the side so you see the movement of my legs. So, hiya, I go side, so that leg translates forward, then bottom down, then side, then flip it up. So now that we kind of know them, we're going to try them from the top. Alright, I'm going to turn my back so you can follow me. Jamaican Tic Toc. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now going down on a Tic Toc. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want to see you do either one of them on the road. Have fun, and remember, once you learn, certified bad girl. Yeah, girl.